Everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to use the MeshLambert material in ThreeJS. So firstly what I have done is that, so this is the output. This is how it looks like after using the MeshLambert material. First I have created a simple project using Vite. I am using vanilla HTML, CSS, JavaScript, no frameworks. So if you want, you can create a simple project like this. Then inside my package.json I have installed two dependencies. One is ThreeJS 3 dependency, and inside dev dependency I have also added types 3 because I am using TypeScript. Next I have deleted everything from the whatever default we had inside main.tss. so I also from index.html. so here you can see this is my simple index.html, and here I have just created one canvas which has an ID of canvas as well, and here I have applied some styling of position fixed, top 0, left 0, outline is none, and here we are attaching one TypeScript or JavaScript file to this particular HTML code. So if you see this main.ts which will contain the actual code, so I'll just okay, main.ts. so if you see this main.ts over here, I have so these are all the imports. Like there are some other imports which I am not really using, and here I have imported orbit controls as well. So here firstly I am taking a reference of our canvas and I am typecasting it as HTML canvas element. Then here I have created one MeshLambert material. So this is the important part of displaying a MeshLambert material. You have to create a material something like this. If you want, you can give it some color, opacity, transparent, all those kind of stuff, but I have kept it simple. Then here we are creating one scene from ThreeJS. Then I have created three objects. One is a sphere, second is plane, and third is torus, and then I have added all of them to the scene. Now this MeshLambert material requires some kind of light, so I have just added one ambient light. This is the color of it and this is the intensity. Similarly for point light as well, I have added some color and intensity, and I have set the position of our point light, and then I have added both of them to our scene. Then here I have created one sizes. Then I have just created one camera, perspective camera, and added it to our scene, and the orbit controls is just for rotating your objects, and enable damping is true. Then we have created this WebGL renderer and we are passing our canvas to it. Then setting the size, here I have just added some resize stuff, so that if you resize your screen, your mesh should automatically resize it as well. So here you can see they do it pretty good, and if you want, if I double click, it goes into the full screen mode. So that's what I have added this double click for. Then just to add some kind of simple animations, I have created one clock, and I have created this function called tick, and here as you can see I'm just rotating our sphere, plane as well as torus, and here we are updating our control as well as updating our render. And this is the important part. So this calls this tick function on every frame, so frame per second, so it automatically handles all the animation for us and we don't have to worry about it. So yeah, that's how you can use a MeshLambert material. Again, the important part is this one, this MeshLambert material. You can use it something like this. You really don't require this curly braces as well. In case if you want to pass some properties, then you can use this curly brace. But yeah, apart from it, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.